Hot that we keep staring at me.
What's good?
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley, that's a beautiful name, by the way.
Thanks.
What's my name?
Yeah.
I'm Brett. Pleasure to meet you.
Hi.
What are you up to?
We're just here right now.
Real quick. No, stop. Real quick. I just want to let you know.
What?
I'm sorry, I had to say this. You're absolutely beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. I had to tell you. I know you probably get that all the time. Though.
No, I do. Yeah, I do.
What year are you? I think I know.
A freshman?
Freshman?
Yeah.
Let's get it. What?
Yeah,
No,
but you're you.
What year am I? I'm a senior. Technically fifth year, but like I'm a senior.
Oh.
By the way, you don't have to worry about the whole mask thing. Like,
Oh,
buddy of mine's
so
a bartender.
true.
He's actually my frat.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
I'm a frat. You know,
what frat?
Minute Uzma?
Uzma.
Like, everyone knows it.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm actually a president, but like it's not a big deal.
No,
for sure.
yeah, I'm from
But,
Caparasa.
yeah,
My
it's
kind
actually
doesn't
crazy.
really
It's like 2 minutes
go
down
there.
the road, like. So if you
No,
wanna,
yeah,
like,
I
pull
don't.
up,
You guys are kind of
Right
weird.
now?
Yeah.
No.
No.
But I just told you I was in Uzma. Like,
I'm
let's go to the, you know
weird.
your band now, right? You
Band?
actually clip.